so kwa MCE.
Yeah.
There be no con say John. Me mo kan ya no mafrɛ. Because enya but say nya ntokwa. Ye nyina ye boaboa ye ho. Enti that's so say o admit say adwuma no.
Sometimes adwuma you have to always be proactive.
Yes.
I mean, say what na one son ya.
Yes.
E baby an when you be hu.
Exactly. I get it.
Say na last year and started say year 2 anamo.
I see.
Ya men charge and the Timebo engineer Naim Idrisu.
Yeah.
The director of Urban
Roads.
Okay. I've opinion edijuma so far ewo Asante Mantemo. Na say na ebo na ba.
Okay. Now ya ba be hwe ubaye so far adwuma hawaye. You say name be ho e bia na brenti entima capture ni na but before we do that, Moro market.
Very well.
O predecessor. Then komo bi cause say on be so mo develop the area no. Memusa how far with that arrangement? Over 2 bibisa in yes. Bibisa over 2 bibisa.
Sir John, me buy man be 2 bibisa.
Okay.
I was handing over notes. And I'm saying a briefing from the West Department.
Okay.
And I say bibisa ebe koso. But make say me buy nyame adoma bosumi ya be 15th or 14th May. Na me nya 1 year.
Okay.
And I think so far so good. On this occasion, so may sign ada Nana Tafo hini ase Nana Ajin from Pon Abebio and Nananom and the local council of churches within the municipality and the Muslims leadership. And say I've enjoyed a lot of support from these stakeholders. And then me no enkoso 101.
I see.
Ti me buy no say okay with regards to Moro market bibi sa enkoso. But me buy na me hu say o man no ana mention be 2.8 na ejina sabi edwedie so in terms of how you better to yesika. Nti Tafo oba yewo Tafo market e Pankro no and Moro market seems to be one of the areas edwedie the enkoso. Nti as part of our campaign in the 2024, Yeshagana football say, Yabaya Magananda, the 24-hour economy no Ebekoso. And the side you made in Bekoso, ne say starting free baby. And as mentioned, no, Yamia Domoa, Enche, Ancha, Nabosumi Bakom. Ye baby see the 24-hour economy model market, Moro market.
Oh, okay.
Plans are far advanced. You need a good before more, you know, made in common. Nyame aduma na wotwe ebe simu ye na omo be hia na ya project senior market no ebesia so that they can also appreciate. In fact, this news by no omunyi agiye ama omo so yeso ya hye omo bo say bibia ebe meet their interest no ye be because adwumedie no eba obi an ho sebe nipa bebre ho be de ebe to mo ye nnuanom omo fi asebe edwuma yesem ayedin amom no yentumi kase ebe solve obi a problem at a go but here they are within the market ebenya police post ebenya fire post pharmacy crèche and whatever so also one way or the other ebetumi create edwuma ediama embebu.
Do you confirm say 24-hour economy market no Moro market
confirm
and komo nyina di bia akoso kama as in contractor no any consultant no mo bibia everything I see. So how do you make the place no available for the contractor? What is the process I will go through to do that?
So far once one already know was already developed but does not meet the standard of a market per se. In order not to displace all of them, no experience who say we call as a marketer we say you median air cost na we say you phone air center and the median air cost nti saa nhyehyɛ no na ye no mu nyina agye atum say ye benya temporary structures e dia mo say na be ya one side no ebekom na omudi omu edwa na yeso edidwuma nti we are then they move into that then another set so ebebem I think they lauded that initiative because the workers who display so much na ebemedwumedi no ayede and one is enije woman say stretch no and the workers so edwumedi ekos we are rehabilitating that road Moro market by the phone anymore.
Okay.
We won't say ekwan no see akro my drains in Krabi.
Okay.
Contractor no etwa ekwan no so a enche omba be fele with the SOE na omo esili. Ti everything is well in place.
Okay. I see. So for say afina wa joining and the MCE edema Tafo municipal Honorable Abubakar Sadiq na edin komo nti ye ba be hwe so far and komo aye nyina issues kakra bia ye hu ho but also ba ye so far de won so atimi aye ho na ye ba be drui na yakoye nti nyame adma next month na benya 1 year.
Very well.
Journey no say na siako.
The journey has been rough and smooth, but let me say, with the intervention of the Almighty God, Bibia Akoso Kama. So, remember, I was confirmed on 14th May, 2025. Immediately after confirmation, the next day I Zoom office because now I say he hit the ground running because no time to waste. No eso. I think I sat down with management. I'm also in whom ministry I didn't want I think Nina Eboy to make a decision as to the direction I had. And as management with the DACF allocation, you said there be say Oman Penny to me a disaster Kakasi at their brain as an assembly. We need to utilize it for the betterment of the people. Mamin kancho say sika ya de ba mention ebi NC da e wo Ghana ba kwasem
sika na e ba mo ho no momo assembly ho no
2025 as an assembly sika DACF secretariat allocating my was 39 million Ghana cedi a year. Kanino na Tafo municipal assembly na first quarter we receiving 900,000 Ghana cedi.
Not even a million.
Not even a million. But under the visionary leader of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, and the local government minister, Honorable Ibrahim Ahmed, first quarter Tafo you received 4.7.
4.7 million
Ghana cedi.
That's huge.
Inti woka the four quarters of the previous administration under the Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo administration. Na 3.6. 4 quarters no. By year 1 quarter no kwa no etwa sa omo 4 quarters no.
Wow. I see.
And so far first quarter, the second quarter, third quarter, fourth quarter of 2025 in Nigeria. Aba.
Majini na.
Ya jini na.
Any I was see who adwuma.
Adwuma dia adwuma be bu so. And the other for your construction site.
Wow.
Send your His Excellency John Dramani send the Ghana your construction site. Same applies to Tafo. And the Tafo Municipal Assembly. You know say a human sua ya dia e hu hia ye. Say o man bia betumpo na ejina e human sua so. Send a mekai in my earlier submission. On say as the population is growing, school enrollment so ebe kosoro. In Tafo there was 17 basic school. Working now, but together with the lower primary and upper primary, I can say 32. But we share population there on, and there was the need say, you better expand the infrastructure. Send a bit to me a take in role. Inti oba a Rokanji experimental. That's primary and GHS. You see, you made a course of our hope. You see a 1 number 6 unit classroom blocker. But you say, Yamea Domo Ancha by end of June. Contractor and be handed over facility their mind. Okay. Yes, we are a municipal education directory.
I know Eguso Ekoso.
It's almost any.
Okay. Okay.
A Rokanji. You see
okay. Rokanji. School na
wo 3 months.
Now almost space ah.
Almost space. Yeah. Yeah. Almost space.
Okay.
Extension we are going vertical.
Yes, I mean yes, more vertical.
Yeah, vertical.
Okay.
Ebiom woba within the Moro market electoral area. Woba Baba Chipsa electoral area Tafo Zongwa. Yes, science another 1 number 6 unit classroom block Usmania Islamic GHS.
Okay.
And
Usmania, okay.
Yeah, Usmania.
Okay.
And also you made and so more basokra as my external plaster and internal plaster. On my schedule, and so Yamia Domo by the close of June, there you be commission. Na the school no more use. Osanba the same Babachov side electoral area. Yes, I see 1 number 3 unit classroom block, and so any near Ewo Badaria Islamic GHS, and also Ekoso.
I know existing project are more and almost
from scratch. say because of the unavailability of land in the various schools, so we go vertical.
I know that's the way to go.
From scratch.
Yes. Oh, I see.
When your legacy project, from scratch.
I
project
see.
are making from scratch.
Wow.
We say about Pankronoa because we want every electoral area to feed.
That was a question I can be beside.
Send a bear.
More chen ye dear.
Or
Jam go be like I said na ye dear. Pankrono I mean the Pankrono
Okoswana. Anaobala.
Yes.
Honorableness.
So mo nyina no.
Yeah, the
omo adwumanti